To get NordVPN on your Samsung Smart TV, follow these steps. Install NordVPN on your router. NordVPN does not have a dedicated app for smart TVs, so the most effective way is to set it up on your Wi-Fi router. Go to NordVPN's website and follow the instructions for installing the VPN on your router. This will ensure all devices connected to your Wi-Fi, including your Samsung Smart TV, are protected by NordVPN. Check the link in the description for a promotional offer. Connect your TV to the VPN. Once the VPN is configured on your router, connect your Samsung Smart TV to the Wi-Fi network. Your TV will now be automatically routed through the VPN, masking its IP address and providing access to geo-restricted content. Use the NordVPN app. If your Samsung Smart TV supports Android TV OS, you can directly install the NordVPN app from the Google Play Store on your TV. Simply search for NordVPN, install the app, log in with your credentials, and connect to your desired server. Enjoy streaming. Now that NordVPN is active on your Samsung TV, you can stream content securely and access geo-restricted shows and channels.